Alright, I'm gonna do an unboxing here. I've never done an unboxing video before. This is my very first one with the Thermalstrike. I'm super psyched about this tool that I've been using. It's amazing for a native plant nursery, any kind of plant nursery. Normally I just am doing kind of a preventive care type pre-treating, just to make sure that I don't introduce any plant disease to my nursery. This comes all snapped up in a nice little roll. Unsnap it and fold it out. It's just like you bought a cooler or something, but it's not a cooler, it's a heater. So you unfold it, and then it has a bottom to make it rigid. Just slide that right in there. All right, just like you would have on the floor of a collapsible cooler. All right, and then this part will remind you of camping a little bit, but it's way easier than setting up a tent. But these are similar to tent poles because of the way that they snap together. And there's a little protective piece on the end. So you want to put the white end in first because that will be easier to pull back out if you need to disassemble the unit. I've actually never disassembled mine because I'm always using them, but you might want to at some point. You just slide it in there all the way down. Once it's in all the way, you can just sort of tuck it in that way with the Velcro. Now to get it plugged in, there's a little cord, and it comes with a cord with a timer, and it can be set for 2, 4, or 8 hours. However, I need to run mine for a lot of hours, like 24, 48 hours. So I have an alternate cord that just makes it run continuously. Oh, hi, Sweat. And then you can run it continuously, which is a major bonus for me to be able to do that. The last piece is this continuous temperature monitor. It gives you the high, the low, and the current temperature. And you can reset it. You can set it to either Fahrenheit or Celsius, and then you can reset it every time you start a new batch of whatever. And then you can tell when you've reached your desired temperature, and then you can go ahead and keep it at that same temperature for as long as you need to, depending on what your goal is. So that is the Thermalstrike. These things are super handy, making sure that the potting media that I use has no weed seeds that are viable and no plant disease.